Good morning. What's going on, everybody? My name is Jordy TV or Jordan, and welcome back to the channel. We're just getting some snacks and shit ready and getting kind of a lunch ready because I'm going to work here right away. It's about 8:30 in the morning. It's like not real early. I'm used to waking up earlier and actually going to work a lot earlier than this, but not today. It's just kind of a, come in a little bit later kind of day. I'm not too worried about it. So, what the hell do I want here? I got bars in my lunch. I don't know what the frig. Most important part is getting coffee. Why did it stop? Hello? It says brewing. Oh, what? Is it broken? Hello? Is it stuck? Did it? If this is how my morning's gonna go, it's not gonna be a good day. I think my Keurig thing is broken. It's not actually pushing out the coffee. I'm gonna try to turn it off and then redo everything. Sit. Hit my freaking foot on. Lift to begin. The coffee's sitting in there. The lid closes. I select my size, and it's still doing the same thing. That's not good. Or maybe it's telling me just to go get Timmy's coffee. That's basically what it's telling me.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
So I guess the plan is we'll go to Tim Hortons. I guess my coffee machine wants me to spend money. I'm not trying to save money or anything, but, I don't like to buy coffee if I don't have to. I mean, besides for my Keurig coffee machine thingy with mop and majigger thinger. It's literally so cold. You can see my breath. That's brutal. So, I got my Tim Hortons coffee. I'm ready to go to work. Even though I forgot it down on the bench down below. That's okay. But today's task is to clean up all the soybeans out of the hopper. Get them all cleaned out so they don't mold and rot in here. Get everything cleaned out so it's all good to go. And then we gotta go underneath, clean out the feeder house of the combine. And then there's chains on the side of the combine that there's a cover on the bottom. You open it up and you clean that out too, because there'll be beans and there'll be chaff and everything in there. And then vacuum, basically I gotta vacuum all this, clean this thing right out pretty much almost to the point where you can put it on a John Deere lot again for someone to, for it to sell, for someone to buy it. That's pretty much what we're doing here. So these right here are what I'm talking about in there. And there's a bearing right there behind those plastic covers, and you can adjust those. And I forget what these things are called, but see, there's beans in them already. And as you guys can see, it's already rotten. It's just dirt and mud and dust. And you let that sit in the combine for a long time, it's gonna mold and it's gonna rot. So that's rotten grain already. That's fun. Stuck on here. That one's clean, but there's still stuff in there I gotta get out. All the way up there, all the way in there. It's gonna be a fun day. Not gonna be rude, I kind of forgot about the vlog today. It was a busy day at work, cleaning out the combines and all that, getting them ready for another season for next year. I'm tired, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please drop a like down below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications so you get my post notifications when I upload pointless YouTube content. It's been your boy, Jordy TV or Jordan. Always make sure to live life with power. And I'm out, bitch.